Hello everyone, we are back to hairstyling. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail, split them into two ponytails and have the right tail dropped into the left and left into the right by using a hair loop. Then combine the excess part of the ponytail with the rubber band at the bottom and have it stuffed inside. Then have it in place by dropping a little black hairpin through it. Then after that, if you want to decorate even more further, drop in your favorite hairpin. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail. Make a ponytail, have a rubber attach the middle part and braid the bottom section of the ponytail and create a loop and drop the braid into it. Attach the braid to the second rubber and we have making as a bun and move the bun entirely to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin. Grab your hair from the sides, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail. Have a ponytail, have a rubber, attach the middle part of it and stretch the middle one and stuff the tail into it, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a very simple little hairpin. Then stretch the bun for volume. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of that. Get your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside twice with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail. Split them into three equal parts and have it braided. You know how to braid? Cross them continuously. Then have the ends secure with the rubber and roll the braid into a clockwise direction, making as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we just now created. Then have a very long hairpin attached to the bun to make it in place. If you want, you can drop in your favorite hairpin on top of the twisted band. Make a ponytail and create a gap behind it using a finger by loosening the rubber band and drop the tail into it. Don't make it come down but push it inside. Then close the gap by combing it and have a very beautiful hair cluster attached on top of that. Hold your bunch on top left and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom and have it secure on the opposite side. Then comb the remaining tail a little bit, have a rubber band attach the middle part and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and stuff the lump inside by using a very little hairpin through it. Make a ponytail and split the tail into two parts and have it braided across each other in a thicker manner and secure the end with the rubber band. Roll the braid into a clockwise direction, have it as a bun and drop the tip underneath the bun we created. Then have a beautiful hair cluster securing that. Make a bunch and hold it 180 degrees to the right and loosen the rubber and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom and secure it on the right side. Comb the remaining hair, have a rubber band attach the middle part, stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more downwards by having a little hairpin. Stretch the bun for volume. Make a bunch and have a very beautiful hair cluster attached onto it and have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and push it inside the middle one and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair cluster again. Once again, go for a ponytail and have a beautiful hair cluster attached onto it and have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and stuff the lump into the middle one and move the entire tail to the top and have it in place by reattaching the hair cluster on that point. Hold your bunch on top and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the rubber band on the bottom and secure it in the opposite direction. Comb the remaining hair, have a rubber band attach the middle part, stuff the tail to the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more downwards by having a little hairpin. Make a bunch and twist it completely and have it roll in a clockwise direction and have it as a bun and drop the tip underneath the bun we created and secure with a hair bun and drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Make a lovely ponytail and with the last loop of the rubber band, create a very large lump and loosen the rubber band a little bit further down and create a gap using your finger, drop the entire lump into it and also the tail as well. Then after that, make it completely secured by closing your hair with your hand and drop in a very beautiful fluffy hairband right onto it. You can choose multiple colors depending on your fashion choice. Hold your bunch to the top left and loosen the rubber and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from the bottom and secure it on the top. Then bring the tail back and have a rubber attach the bottom middle part and stuff the tip to the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more further by having a little hairpin securing the bun in place. Thank you everyone for watching this video.